been a month since the Prime Minister announced the government's demonetization decision, and CNBC TV 18 learns from top government sources that post the announcement on the 8th of November, a significant chunk of the demonetized currency notes, close to 13 lakh crore rupees, has returned to the banking system. Remember, derecognized 500,000 rupee notes amounted to about 15.5 lakh crore rupees at the time when those notes were abolished. Timsy Jaipuria joins us now with the exclusive details. So Timsy, clearly, while there is no official confirmation coming in from the government at this point in time, our sources are suggesting that the deposits could now be close to 13 lakh crore rupees.
Yes, very clearly what I'm hearing from my sources is that already 13 lakh crore of money has come back to the banking system. Sources are also sharing that today, as we speak, Jan Dhan account deposits have risen to almost 74,000 crore rupees. So the entire division that was given by the government, that 21,000 crore was the last figure of Jan Dhan account deposits, and the RBI figure of 8.5 lakh crore coming on 27 November. All this has now gone up and way beyond. What also comes back from my sources is that government has now handed over all such cases to all its enforcement agencies, be it ED, DRI, CBI, Income Tax Department. They all have been asked to step up, and PMO on its own is monitoring this entire situation. PMO has written to FinMin and RBI to submit a daily status report on the demonetization, the deposits that are coming back, what is happening on the investigation side. So all in all, everything is being reported on a daily basis at the government, and what is now giving trouble is the 13 lakh crore figure, which has already come back to the banking system. So government is now very clear that 13 lakh crore has come back. Depositing money in the banking system does not mean converting black money into white. That is what Finance Minister Jaitley has also been telling. So all in all, what you now see is now government wants to know what is the step forward, how are they going to respond to this entire thing, that out of 15.5 lakh crore, 13 lakh crore is back in the banking system. Back to you.
All right, Timsy, appreciate you joining us.